Okay, good morning, my dear students. In previous class, we discussed about the solution. Okay, so today in this session, we discuss about the one more new chapter, that is surface chemistry. Surface chemistry, right? The weightage of this chapter is total 6 marks. 6 marks. Okay. Here in this chapter, number of questions is 3. Right? 1 more, 1 question. 2 more, 1 question. And 3 more, 1 questions. Okay. Total 6 marks. And for your competitive examination, whether CT, NEET and JEE, 2 questions compulsory is arises this chapter. Okay, so it is very important chapter for your both your annual examination and competitive part also. Okay, see, we discuss the surface chemistry. See, already we know that chemistry ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Chemistry means it is a branch of science. Is it clear? It is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition, structure and properties of matter. That is chemistry, right? Now we discuss the what is surface chemistry. Surface chemistry andre ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದು important, right? See, already that chemistry we can divide it in 3 important branches. One is physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. See, this surface chemistry comes under physical chemistry, right? So what is surface chemistry? It is a branch of physical chemistry. It is a branch of physical chemistry that deals with the study of nature of surface and also physical and chemical process takes place of the surface of the liquid, and physical and chemical process takes place on the surface of solid. Surface of solid. That is called as surface chemistry. Okay, surface chemistry means it is a branch of physical chemistry to deals with the study of nature of surface, and physical and chemical process takes place on the surface of the solid. That phenomenon is called as surface chemistry, right? In this surface chemistry, we discuss 3 important phenomena, right? 3 important phenomena. The first one is adsorption, right? The second one is catalysis, and third one is colloidal particles. colloidal particles. Right? In this surface chemistry ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, three different phenomena ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Right? First one is adsorption, second one catalysis, the third one is colloidal particles. Colloidal particles. Is it clear? See, dear students, in this chapter, see what is surface chemistry and ಏನು. In surface chemistry ಅಲ್ಲಿ three phenomena ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, the phenomena like adsorption, catalysis and colloidal particles. Right? So, on the basis of this concept, we discuss the phenomenon one by one. The first one is adsorption. Adsorption. Right? See, adsorption means the accumulation or attraction or retaining of molecules of gases or liquid takes place on the surface of the solid. That is called as adsorption. The correct thing. Is it clear? Adsorption means accumulation or attraction or retaining of molecules of gases or liquid, right? Or liquid, right? Takes place on the surface of solid is called as adsorption ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Is it clear? It is very important. So what is adsorption ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the accumulation or attraction or retaining of molecules of gases or liquid. ಅದು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ್ದ ಮೇಲೆ that takes place on the surface of solid. The surface of solid. That is called as adsorption ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Is it clear? See, for example, the gases or liquids like, see, the gases like O2, right? Oxygen, N2, dinitrogen, and CO. CO means carbon monoxide, right? And ammonia. See here, this oxygen, dioxygen, dinitrogen, carbon dioxide are gases, right? But remaining ammonia, this ammonia is acts as liquid. Is it clear? See, next, this oxygen or nitrogen or carbon monoxide gases or liquid are taken in a closed vessels, right? ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು? ಸಿ These gases or takes place in a closed vessels. Next, the pressure of the, what happens? The pressure of gases is decreases. The gas is decreases. Okay, that is very important point of view. Is it clear? Next, it means that, or it represents the, it represents ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ these gases, the gases or liquids, the gases or liquids or absorbed by closed vessels, absorbed by closed vessels. That is very important, right? See what happens here. Once again repeat this one. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಕ್ಯುಮುಲೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಅದು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ gases and liquids. Is it clear? The gases like the dioxygen, hydrogen and carbon monoxide, all are gases. Remaining ammonia is acts as a liquid. These gases or liquids are taken in a closed vessels. Closed vessels. What happens? These vessels, ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಈ vessels ಅಲ್ಲಿ gases or liquid ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದೀವಿ. What happens? ಏನಾಗುವುದು? The pressure of the gas or liquid, pressure of the gas or liquid ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ because gases or liquids are absorbed by vessels. That is the main point of. Is it clear? ಯಾಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಈ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ. Is it clear? And then one more example. The second example is the air becomes dry. Is it clear? The air becomes dry. air ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, air ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? becomes dry ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it clear? ಯಾಕೆ? due to the presence of ಏನಿರಬಹುದು? Is it clear? Okay, due to the presence of air ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it clear? air ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ see, due to the presence of silicogen, it is very important. Silicogen, right? See what it represents. ಏನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಏರ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಡ್ರೈ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾವ ಡ್ರೈ ಆಯಿತು? the presence of silicogen. It represents the water molecules are absorbed. The water molecules are absorbed by gel. Which gel? Silicon gel ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ absorption takes place. That's why this air becomes dry. Very simple. Is it clear? ಯಾಕೆ ಏರು becomes dry ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? In the presence of silica gel. What is the importance of silica gel? It absorbs the moisture content. Moisture content ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. That's why this air becomes dry ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? And the third one more example for absorption, right? See here, let us consider raw sugar. Is it clear? This raw sugar is a colored substances. Colored substances. Is it clear? Then this raw sugar are taken in a beds of animal charcoal. Okay, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ raw sugar ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. This raw sugar contain colored substances. These colored substances are taken in a beds of animal charcoal. Beds of animal charcoal. What happens? This charcoal is absorbs the colored substances. Is it clear? The colored substances absorbed by charcoal. It is very important, right? Charcoal, right? That's why these colored substances becomes colorless. It's very important. Is it clear? The third example is, we consider raw sugar. This raw sugar as colored substances. These colored substances are taken in a beds of animal charcoal ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಈ animal charcoal colored substance ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಈ colored substances ನ ಈ charcoal ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಿತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಕಲರ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತದನ್ನ ಇದು charcoal ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ the colored substances becomes colorless ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, is it clear? It is very important example for this absorption, right? See, what is absorption means? See, the accumulation or attraction or retaining of molecules of a gas or liquid takes place on a surface of solid, that is called as absorption. Okay, these are the example for absorption process, right? Next we move on to what is the causes of absorption. Causes of absorption. Okay, the absorption process also can't relate to what? That is very important. Is it clear? See, what is the causes of absorption? See, already we know that the physical and chemical process or takes place on the solid substances. Okay, see, this absorption takes place on the solid substances. Some solids as on own properties, ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ absorption in solid properties ಅಲ್ಲಿ solid substances ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ? Because due to the unbalanced force of attraction. The unbalanced force of attraction or free valencies, right? unbalanced force of attraction or is developed either the crystallization of, it is developed, this force of attraction is developed either crystallization of solids, crystallization of the solids. It means that the solid have the one pair of electrons, is it clear? See, namigella gottide the unbalanced force of attraction or free valency or unpair of electron idre ಅದರದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. that property is their attraction if it takes place or they are come in contact ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ when in the presence of unpaired electron or free valency idre. Is it clear? their contact or attraction force will be takes place. Is it clear? That's what this causes of absorption ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೀ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ದಿಸ್ ಅನ್ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ is developed either the crystallization of solids, right? This crystallization of solids ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, this unbalanced force of attraction develop ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ it means the unpair of electron, the solid contact has unpair of electron solids ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ they are easily attract or they are come in contact. That is the main cause of the absorption, right? So one more very important point of view, that is when the absorption is increases, the absorption ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ the surface area is also increases at the mass of unit at given temperature and pressure. Is it clear? See what happens when absorption is increases with increases the surface area of mass of unit at given temperature and pressure. It is very important. When absorption increase ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ with increases the surface area ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, increases ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Is it clear? See for example, see absorption ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ it is one solid substance ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it absorbs, right? These are adsorbed substances. It is an adsorbent. Adsorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಇದು adsorb ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. Okay, see this absorption process ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ here it increases surface area is also increases. ಈ ತರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, absorption ಕೂಡ increase ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ surface area ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, increases ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? It is very important at given temperature and pressure. Is it clear? Okay, this is the causes of absorption. How absorption process ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ due to the presence of unbalanced force of attraction or free valencies. Right? This unbalanced force of attraction is developed by the crystallization of the solids, right? So ಆ solids ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ number of electrons ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ they are easily attract or they are come in contact to each other, right? That is the causes of adsorption. Is it clear? Next we move on to terms, the basic terms of adsorption. Basic terms of adsorption. Basic terms of adsorption. Is it clear? See here, already we know that adsorption, in adsorption ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಬೇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಬೇಟ್. Right? See, adsorbate means the substance which gets absorbed by on any surface, that is called as adsorbate. Is it clear? Say adsorbate means the substances which gets adsorbed on any surface, right? ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಫೆನೋಮೆನನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಬೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. See the picture. See here, right? Okay. See here, this adsorbate. Okay, this is adsorbate. Is it clear? Okay, it is adsorbate. This is adsorbent. See here, ಈ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ adsorbent ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. adsorbate ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ here these are the substances which gets adsorbed on any surface. That is, for example, ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇದನ್ನ it is solid surface ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ adsorbate ಯಾವ substances ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, either it is gas or liquid. These gas or liquid substances are adsorbed on the solid substances. Adsorbate ಏನಾಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Is it clear? Okay, ಈ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತು, ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. That is very important, right? See, what about adsorbate? Already I told you. Okay, adsorbate. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು adsorbate ಅಂದ್ರೆ? See here, in this surface on which adsorb on that the ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಡ್ಸೋರ್ಬೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬೆಂಟ್. ಅಡ್ಸೋರ್ಬೆಂಟ್. See, slightly changes. Adsorbent. This is also adsorbent, right? See, adsorbent means the surfaces on which adsorption takes place. The surfaces on which adsorption takes place, that surface is called as adsorbent. Is it clear? See, for example, very similar, it is acts as a adsorbent. Okay, these are adsorbate. Okay, adsorbent or adsorbate, the surfaces on which adsorption takes place, that surface, that is called as adsorbent. Right? Next we move on to desorption. Desorption means the removal of adsorbate from the surface of the solid. That is called as desorption. Desorption ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಬೇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತದನ್ನ ನಾವೆಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಡಿಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ adsorbates from the surface of solid or surface, like that phenomenon is called as desorption. Okay, is it clear? The removal of adsorbate from the surface. That phenomenon is called as desorption. ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಬೇಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಫೆನಾಮಿನನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಡಿಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಓಕೆ, is a removal of adsorbate. See this picture or diagram. The adsorbate or attract on the surface of the solid. Is it clear? It is a solid. Just we remove the, like this, right? We just remove the adsorbate from the solid substances. This phenomenon is called as desorption. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬೇಟ್ಗಳು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ಈ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬೇಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ. ದಟ್ ಫೆನಾಮಿನಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಡಿಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಡಿಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅಂಡ್ one more important point is absorption. 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 Difference there. Here, absorption, but it is absorption. Absorption, right? See, absorption means when a molecules of the substances uniformly spread throughout the substances. That is called as absorption anta karitivi. When a molecule of the substances which uniformly distributed throughout the substances. That is called as absorption. That is called as absorption. Right? See here. This is adsorbent, right? This is adsorbent. See what happens? The molecule of the substances which uniformly distributed throughout the substances or throughout the body. That is called as adsorption, not adsorption. It is a absorption. That is right. See here. Okay. Right. See, absorption takes place. Okay, see here, uniformly distributed throughout the body. This phenomenon is called as absorption. Is it clear? See, absorption means in a molecule of the substances which uniformly distributed throughout the body. They know absorbate attraction ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದಿ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ absorption ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. See, for example sponge in water. Okay, sponge in water. ಈ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜ್ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that water molecules distributed throughout the sponge. Is it clear? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಸ್ಪಾಂಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದೀವಿ, ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಪಾಂಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. that water molecules distributed throughout the substances. Which substances? Sponge substances. These are the good example for sponge in water. Okay, absorption ಗೆ it is example. Is it clear? Next, another basic terms is sorption. sorption. Sorption means the process of both adsorption and absorption takes place simultaneously. That phenomenon is called as sorption. Is it clear? Sorption ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? The process in which both adsorption and absorption takes place simultaneously. This phenomenon is called as sorption. Is it clear? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಡ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಫೆನಾಮಿನನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ sorption. Right? Okay, these are all the very important terms of the which one? Absorption, right? So dear students, it is very important. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 marks ಗೆ 1 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳತಕ್ಕಂತ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ in this class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು very important concept ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ವಿ. That is, the questions is arises based on some basic terms ಮೇಲೆ questions arise ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See, what is adsorbate or what is adsorbate? Sorption ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, and desorption ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, these are the basic terms of the adsorption. Okay, so I will continue to next class. Thank you.